On the 14th of November, Gardenia took the opportunity to travel over to our secondary glazing manufacturer. Here you can see some of the trolleys that store the cut bar lengths, which are purposely made so that the bar lengths cannot be damaged whilst in transit. Moving along, you can see the products that are carefully wrapped, ready for dispatching. Here, as we travel around the factory, you can see some of the timber subframes that are used, using engineered timber to prevent any twisting or warping, so that it means that the aluminium is rigid for the full length of the window and its entirety. As we travel along, we view one of the large radius windows that have been made for a commercial situation, just showing how versatile and how large secondary aluminium can be when required. Thank you for watching.